yung transition dito.
Alright, set number 3 is here. 2-0 for the Mapua Lady Cardinals. And again, this is what they need to do to be able to stay in the Final Four picture. Mika Reyes with Martin Javier here in the broadcast. Sinisilip ni Mika yung...
Bakit ganun yung bangs ko doon?
Sinisilip niya.
Bakit naman?
Inayos ko na.
Ba't magkakaiwala?
Ngayon may grouping na ulit. Pakita nyo mamaya ulit.
Wag na please.
Oh, service ace to start off set number 3. It is Kat Molina with a conversion.
You know, Martin, yung first point ng San Beda dito, yung celebration nila, kitang-kita mo na hindi pa rin talaga sila nag-give up. Nakikita mo yung celebration na full of intense pa, kumbaga.
Nakita natin to, set number 2. You know, when they started to get things going.
Yes. At least, di ba, hindi sila napanghinaan ng loob. Maganda pa rin. Mataas pa rin yung energy nila.
Pero dito, there's a quick response from Raisa Ricablanca. But if you're San Beda, you know, this is the final match of season 99. So talagang ibigay mo na lahat.
Totoo yan. Kumbaga, every game counts talaga dito. Kailangan nyo yung momentum para sa susunod na game.
And this is also part of their preparation papunta naman sa season 100 natin. Oh, one-handed set right there. Sophie Kagalawan scores on the drop.
Sophie Kagalawan.
Good target by Sophie Kagalawan. Alam niya na napako yung defense ng Mapua dito. Kaya saktong-sakto talaga yung drop ball na yun.
Okay, isa sa mga revelation para kay Coach Ed towards the end of this season 99. Angel Habacon sending that one straight to the net though. Si Sophie Kagalawan kasi magmula nung naka 20 points siya against JRE, 5 sets din. Parang iba na yung ano niya eh. Iba na yung kumpiyansa niya. And that made San Beda a very different team afterwards.
Kailangan niya talaga yung turning point na yun. Kumbaga.
Exactly. Abraham. Ricablanca. Deflected that time. Abraham will try again. Good net defense by Mapua. Sobra lang yung atake ni Ricablanca.
Good decision by Angel Habacon. Muntik niya nang kunin yung palo ni Ricablanca doon. Pero yung advice for sure ng teammate na outside na.
Yeah. 4-2. Early advantage for the Lady Red Spikers. Pero yung question kung masusustain ba nila. Nicole Ong able to score this time with more power.
I love the consistency of Nicole Ong here. Iisa lang din yung pasok niya, iisa lang yung approach niya. Pag binigyan siya ng bola, papaluin niya rin talaga.
3-4. Again, number 1 blocker in the league. Navarro not far behind in that department. Ooh. Tapos mula kay Abraham.
Sayang yung bola na yon na sana i-over na lang, i-sure ball na lang sana.
And this is what we're talking about, yung sustaining para sa Lady Red Spikers. And abante na sila ng dalawa dun. Too strong on the serve. Itong si Ong. So this will give the lead back to Mapua. Abraham. Roxy on the attack. Cross court. Outside.
Roxy De La Cruz trying to target that long cross court pero napalakas lang kaya nag-outside.
Medyo erratic yung start natin dito. From both teams, di ba? Lalo pagdating sa atake. This time pinasok pero saved by Flores that time. Here comes Mapua. Combination for De La Cruz. It works.
De La Cruz.
Good execution by Gohol. Yung play na to kanina pa rin nila ginagawa and ngayon lang ulit sila nakakuha ng
Serving for Mabuha, right side of Blanca.
Pero sa gitna na, dumiskarte doon. Itong si De La Cruz. Molina. Push by Navarro. Popped up by Basbas. De La Cruz.
Roxy
Powerful
De La
hit
Cruz.
by Roxy De La Cruz. Hindi rin naka-establish yung kamay ng blockers ng San Beda dito. Kaya nahihirapan ang defense nila. Kapag may mga tumatalsik na bolang ganun, medyo mahirap din kasi na kunin talaga sa ibaba.
Oh, kinuha pa ni Abraham. Too strong for Angel. I'm very curious with that reception nito ni Abraham kanina.
Kasi siguro, kapag hindi ka naman talaga sigurado, kunin mo
Kunin
na.
mo na. Oo.
Kesa mag-ace pa, di ba? Kunin ko na to kahit outside.
Maganda naman yung bigay niya doon. Oh, Basbas with a one-handed save. De La Cruz!
Attack goes out.
That
Point
one goes
to
out.
San Beda.
7-all to begin set number 3 here.
Good intention by Roxy De La Cruz. Susubukan niya sanang ipa-check ball pero hindi tumama sa
Serving
kamay
for
ng
San
blockers
Beda,
ng San
Sophie
Beda.
Cagalawan.
So Sophie Cagalawan, rookie spiker from Bacolod. Good serve, better pass. Oh, quick attack for Terek Manalo.
Manalo.
First technical timeout.
First technical
Abante ang
timeout.
Mapua. Pagbalik natin, we'll hear an update from Fatima Reyes.
Kobe.
Ah?
Kobe.
Kobe.
Kobe Monday.
Kobe mo?
Yeah.
Di ba? Meron naman sa sa NCAA. Hindi, pero syempre, you wanna invite, of course, the best basketball minds.
No, of course.
The best sports minds, not just in the country, but,
Yeah.
we gotta dream big, bro.
Yeah.
So,
International.
in terms of dream guests, I've said this before, my dream guest has always been Coach Ramil De Jesus. I don't think there has been like a one-on-one interview, at least I haven't come across one, or kahit sa print, I have not seen or heard the life story of Coach Ramil. Of course, I've had conversations with him, I know his background, pero yung sit down with him, talk about his journey, and he's one of the most brilliant minds in Philippine sports history. So, medyo impossible dream yon. So, kung nanonood ka man, Coach Ramil, for years I've been trying to get you on. Hopefully, mabigyan mo kami ng pagkakataon. But for starters, gusto ko makausap natin CJ Perez.
CJ.
I would love to have also one of
Welcome back mga kapuso. Nakatutok pa rin kayo sa NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. At putahan muna natin ang panig ng Lady Cardinals. Isang bagay nga ang isinisigaw at ang hiling ni Coach Aying Esteban at ito ay paninindigan. Minsan daw kasi ay nawawala sila sa sistema kaya huwag na raw muna nila isipin kung mabablock man sila at huwag daw sila matakot gumalaw dahil nagsisimula daw ang mabigat nilang galawan sa pagdududa. Dito naman tayo sa panig ng Lady Red Spikers. Isang bagay din ang paalala ni Coach Edgar Baroga at ito ay ang salitang gising. Nawawala raw ang communication nila at sabi nga ni Coach Edgar kung kailangan nilang sumigaw ay isigaw nila ngayon. Sinong kupunan kaya ang patuloy na makikinig sa mga paalala na ito? Yan ang tunghayan natin. Martin at Mika.
Maraming salamat, Fatima Reyes, as we see Angel Abacon score off the block. Ganda nung sinabi ni Coach Aying, no? So pag volleyball player ka, kailangan meron kang paninindigan.
I know. Sobrang lalim ng word na yun. Coach, papanindigan ko
Oo
po.
nga eh. At saka, para ilagay mo sa volleyball context, di ba? Hindi, pero yun yung hinahanap na mula sa kanyang mga mandalaro. Ginigising naman ni Coach Edgar itong San Beda team na mukha namang gumagana na. Angel plays it smartly.
Another good point for Angel Habacon. Kanina pa rin napapatayan dito ng bola si Rica Blanca. Ang layo niya rin kasi dito sa defense. Kaya saktong-sakto rin naman talaga yung drop ball niya.
Dalawang sunod na puntos mula kay Habacon pero magkaibang diskarte. Erin Navarro unleashes an ace.
Buhay na ang San Beda dito. Hindi mo talaga na-feel na nawalan o na mag-give up sila eh.
Not the down sila ng 2 sets. Ano?
Hindi mo ramdam.
Playing with that same liveliness. Rica Blanca, this one is returned to the side of Mapua. Perses! Oh, what a dig by Kagalawan. Habakon, off speed. Covered by Rica Blanca this time. One more time for Angel.
Kung hindi niya nakuha sa cut shot, papaluin naman niya ng sobrang lakas sa zone 1 dito.
Ito muna, inangat ni Rica Blanca. But afterwards, reset. And then the swing from Angel Habakon. Ang ginagawa si Coach Ian.
Talsik na lang ang talsik. Bakit hindi ka nakaharang? Iyaan mo na si Libero dito kung pumunta rito. Bigay mo na sa kanya yan. Diba? Kailangan natin panindigan yung depensa. Si Chok hindi talaga abot. Kailangan natin madepensa ng madepensa. Nasa harap ka na ba? Sige, go.
Yun ang word of the day natin from Coach Ian. Kailangan panindigan natin yung depensa. Paninindigan talaga hinahanap.
Totoo.
Diba?
Dahil may 4-0 run ng San Beda dito. Kailangan kunin na agad nila sa defense para maka-atake sila.
And again, you cannot give a set, even a set to the San Beda team. Diba? Ang pinanggalingan itong San Beda, 2 sunod na 5-set matches. Trem Manalo. Perfect response mula sa timeout ni Coach Esteban. And now she'll be coming from the back. Front line ng Mapua, we have Ong, Perses, and their setter Trixie Gohol. Molina. Angel through the blockers. Or a blocker that time. It was just Ong in front of her.
Angel Habakon taking advantage. That 1 blocker. Siguro, nandun na siya sa dulo eh. Parang pinapasara na rin talaga yung down the line sa kanya. Pero lumusot pa din.
Sarado naman. Oh, faulty first ball. Ganda ng balik ni Rica Blanca. Angel! Flies again!
Tingin ko ang nagiging solusyon ni Coach Aying for this rotation na hindi na lang magbablock si Gohol dahil kanina pa nga tumatalsik yung bola sa kanya pero nagiging disadvantage naman to dahil isa lang yung blocker ni Angel Habakon.
Mas nagiging, mas madali yung diskartihan ito ni Angel.
Yes!
Perses! Kept alive. Chance for Mapua here. Trixie goes to Ong. Back to Angel, they go. Covered this time by Rica Blanca. Perses. Dive by Kadalawan. Back to Habakon here. And she drops it in.
Another smart play by Angel Habakon. Kanina pa rin bukas yung donut hole na yun. Kumbaga, nilalagay na lang niya yung bola. Nakakuha pa siya ng puntos.
Submission for Mapua. Number 16, that's versus out. Number 4, Freya Garcia.
7-1 run for San Beda. 19 points now for Angel Habakon. Again, last few games niya, 36, 29, now 19. Oh, pinalik. But Mapua recovers. Ong. Angel, drop ball again. Ito, naiangat na ni Gohol. Attack from behind. Sumabit sa net yun. Abraham. Saved. Frian. Yes!
Frian Garcia with that gut shot. Kung ginagawa yun ni Angel Habakon kanina, kaya din gawin ni Frian Garcia.
Siya naman yung nag-target dun sa butas ng depensa ng San Beda. 10-14. This is a 4-point lead. Faced by Mapua. Make that 3. Gohol with an ace.
Ngayon, bumabawi si Gohol sa service line. Kung kanina, medyo nahihirapan siya na mag-block. Pero ngayon, nasa likod na siya. Magsiserve naman siya ng malakas.
So this is a taller front line now for Mapua. Oh, chance para sa Lady Cardinals. Frian, covered by Sophie. Habakon, dug up by De La Cruz. Back set for Rica Blanca. Bumalik sa side ng Mapua. Ong! Pasa ni Molina. But San Beda unable to get it on the second ball. Ong is able to score.
That connection by Gohol and Ong, very effective.
Ganun, huwag mo iiwanan. Pwede mo kuhanin. Kaya mo, naroon ka na, nasa harapan ka na eh. Pwede ka magbigay sa quick. Subukan mo si Arizapa. Lalo na pagka nasa harapan siya, kinukuha lahat, di ba? Minsan magbibigay ka. Sige. Medyo yung kilos natin dito, galaw-gaw na naman eh. Ayusin natin. Sige, go.
Yung sabi nga ni Coach Edgar na magbigay siya sa quick kasi kanina pa rin na hindi binabantayan ang middle blockers ng San Beda kasi alam ng Mapua Lady Cardinals na hindi nagbibigay ng bola sa middle blockers nila.
Bihirang-bihira dito sa laban natin.
Nakaabang na lang sa outside spikers, sa wing spikers ng Mapua.
So Arizapa is in front. Ito, pupuntahan siya. Hindi! Si Abraham pa rin ang pinuntahan. But this is a 3-0 run for the Lady Cardinals. Angel. Rica Blanca puts it down.
What an attack by Raisa Rica Blanca. Yung pag-target niya rin talaga sa cross court. Walang nakaabang na defense for San Beda.
4-0 run by Mapua to get to within 1 point. Abacon from the other side. Masyadong malakas. Wala na tayo sa set 3.
Ang laki na rin ng hinabol ng Mapua dito with the 5-0 run. Again, naging maganda yung pag-time out ni Coach Ayin.
Ooh! Misreceived by Flores. And now Mapua will overtake 15-14. 6 na sunod-sunod na puntos. And it's another race for Trixie Gohol. Better pickup. Here's Arizapa. Yun yung hinahanap ni Coach Edgar.
Kanina pa nila hinahanap yun. Kasi di ba kapag binigyan mo ang middle blockers mo, babantayan na yan ng opponent para magkaroon ng mahati yung attention ng blocker.
That's right. At para mapagaan din yung buhay para kina Abraham, Tagalawan at Abacon. Arizapa, 2 quick ones for Arizapa, and that will send us to our technical timeout. Abante ulit ang Lady Red Spikers.
Basketball junkie ako eh. So, Jomo, Coach Jolie pa. Yung mga yan, yung mga old school. Kasi yan yung mga nakalakihan ko na dream. So, medyo lumalabas na yung part ako of that older generation eh. Who believe that.
Hindi ko yung generation.
Hindi mo na generation, but kayo TikTok generation. Wow! Kasama na kita. Kasi yun yung conversation natin kanina. Ako, Jaworski, tsaka Jolie pa yung but again, if going back to that, ako yun. Kasi, I would have wanted to have a conversation with the late Coach Chato Badalato, Coach Juan Jacobs, because I'm a coach. And ito, curious ako eh, yung mga executive side of how is it running a school, running a league. Diba? Yung mga yan. Of course, PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall, our Mancom sa NCAA, si Executive Director Rebo Sagisa. Kasi iba yan eh.
Yung hindi game to come on.
Yung mga ganyan na conversation on the management side of things, how they run their organizations. Yun yung mga gusto ko matutunan and makita.
You know what? We should guest Maddie Madeag on the show because Coach Hammer once said that she stared down another player.
She does that!
And she clapped back on Twitter before it was called X. Okay, let's just end it at that. Let's just end it at that for now. Okay, let's just end it at that. Madzilla, shout out to you. Guys, we had a very great time. First episode.
Gusto nila mag-trash talk tapos i-de-deny nila.
Patikim pa lang po ito.
Patawanan ninyo. Ba yun?
Nakikita nila kung gaano ka-intense si Coach Hammer.
Keep up with non-stop in-court action with GMA Sports. Catch the latest sports news here and round the globe. Be thrilled with conversations about the finest athletes and sports personalities.
Is this it? Yes! And Mamuski with a 1-2. We're back to the coverage. Ito yung results of the matches of the Lady Cardinals in season 99, and this is their final game of the eliminations. Still to be determined if they'll make it to the final four. We'll have to wait for the final 2 games ng ating elimination round, pero you see here, up and down season. Obviously still a strong season for Coach Aying Esteban. They're trying to equal their win count in season 98. An emphatic hit mula dito kay Raisa Ricablanca.
Good set by Gohol. Isa lang yung blocker ni Raisa Ricablanca dito. Kuhang-kuha ni Aliana Ong yung middle blocker ng San Beda.
So Frian. One-handed set. Pasa na ni Ong. Tumawid. Abraham. Covered by Ong.
Single block by Nicole Ong. Maganda rin yung timing niya dito na kahit siya lang mag-isa yung nag-block.
And that's why she's number 1 in blocking. Kasi parang atumbas niya dalawa eh. Galing siya tumahiming eh.
Totoo.
Diba?
Kahit siya lang mag-isa yung kaharap ng spiker, kayang-kaya niya kumuha ng spot.
And Frian Garcia compounds on this Mapua lead. Service ace. Gusto nang tapusin dito ng Lady Cardinals. Sa set 3 ang ating laban. Kakalawan. It's a netter on San Beda's side.
Double contact violation against San Beda.
So double contact for San Beda. Sayang, ang ganda ng taas ng bola sa coverage na yon.
So all of a sudden, 4 na sunod-sunod na puntos para sa Mapua from the technical timeout. They're up by 3. Gohol tracks it down. De La Cruz. So it went out, yeah.
4 touches for Roxy De La Cruz. Medyo mababa na rin niya kinuha yung bola doon. Kung usually sa taas niya pinapaltok yung bola eh.
So ito, Lalaine Arizapa, backup blocker or middle blocker ni Coach Edgar in the match. And Nicole Ong rather continues to score from the middle.
Tuloy-tuloy yung connection ni Gohol at Ong for the Lady Cardinals. Ang laking tulong rin talaga na kapag tuloy-tuloy yung puntos ng middle blockers.
Yeah. That's a nice serve. Tagalawan breaks through the block.
Tagalawan challenging the blockers. Kahit na dalawa yung nasa harap niya. Pero may kakaunting space kasi kaya siguro na nag-check ball yung bola.
5 points para dito kay Abraham. Not the best performance from her today. De La Cruz.
Good save.
Save by Abraham. Getting it done defensively. Gohol. That's it for Ricablanca. Molina picking Tagalawan this time. Ricablanca swings again. Nandun yung depensa ni Habacon. Drop ball. Finally drops for Kagalawan.
Good target for Kagalawan. Medyo malayo yung defense ng Mapua dito kaya kitang-kita ni Kagalawan yung butas.
Not enough time to read. Gohol. Oh, Tarek Manalo. Kargado. Pero bumalik sa kanila. Ricablanca. Molina. Back to Sophie. Flores keeps it alive. Back row. Hit. Manalo was there. Ricablanca again. Defended by Molina. Cat will swing. Oh, drops in for Molina.
Good defense for both teams. Pero yung target talaga ni Molina dito, kitang-kita niya kung saan walang tao.
It's the spiking setter, Cat Molina, finding a spot at the back.
Tayo ng yung receive natin, i-pass lang natin. Yung play 2, wala nang play 2. Wala nang play 2. B ka lang, B ba na yung nangyayari? C ka lang, buka-buka lang muna tayo. Then, pag may opportunity pumalo, paloy ng malakas. Huwag lang itapon, okay? Kailangan mo natin mag-a-pass, ha? Let's go, let's go.
Table tayo dito, 20 all. It's been a set of runs. Ito po sa ikatlong yugto ng ating laban. And now it's San Beda with the counter, 3-0 run to tie things up.
Nasa 20-point mark na tayo and very important na lahat ng points.
Rica Blanca. Sophie, who's been the go-to player in this set for San Beda. Habakon, pop up by Rica Blanca. De La Cruz. Sobra.
That goes out. Point goes to the Lady Red Spikers.
Another miss hit for the Lady Cardinals. Medyo buka na rin kasi yung set ng bola doon. Kaya susubukan lang sana niya na ipasok pero nag-outside yung bola.
San Beda is back in front. 4 straight. De La Cruz deflected. Abuelo si Kagalawan. Nandun si Basbas. De La Cruz tries again. Coverage from Habakon. Lefty push. De La Cruz. Rally continues. Kagalawan! Out! Still alive! What a save by Basbas! Molina. Navarro. Basbas again with a pop-up. De La Cruz. Long rally alert. Back set. Rica Blanca off the block.
Of course, let's credit that long rally kay Basbas na sobrang layo ng hinabol.
Akala natin tapos na to dito. Pero binuhay pa niya. That gave them more chances to win that long rally. And Rica Blanca with a swing off the block angel ng hina dun. 15 points today for Raisa Rica Blanca. What a sharp serve. Molina. De La Cruz. Ang lapit sa net. And an error will give Mapua back the lead. San Beda is looking for the touch.
Yes, they were asking for a touch pero parang wala.
Yeah. Just bounced off the net. Ito si Coach Edgar.
Okay, dulo-dulo lang natin, ha? Dulo-dulo lang. Sarap pa rin si ano. Pag may pagkakataon, hindi natin nila binabantayan ng gitna. Oh, ang drop mo lang, babilis lang tayo, ha? Sige, kunin mo na. Sige, sige. Let's go, let's go. Oh, isa lang, isa lang.
We are seeing some quality rallies so far. Pero katulad nung set number 2 natin, ayaw ni Coach Ed na mawala to sa kanila. No? So yung kapitan pa to.
Walang gustong bumitaw talaga sa dalawang teams na to. Yung defense eh.
Yeah.
Ayaw na lang bitawan talaga.
Kita natin sa effort ng mga players. Flores. Kagalawan. Ito ng depensa ni Garcia. 1-2 play is red. Kagalawan from the other side.
Sophie Kagalawan.
Sophie Kagalawan with that powerful hit. Check the replay. Naibabawa niya yung mga blockers niya dito.
So Maxine Tayag is back in to serve. 22 all here in set 3. Oh, pero manalo. Her quick was deflected. Pero chance mo lang ibabalik. Manalo again. This time returned. Rica Blanca. Still alive. Papua on the attack. De La Cruz. Sent back. Liza, sending it straight to the net.
Crucial hits by Raisa Rica Blanca. Actually, kasama rin talaga sa play nila yung back row attack ni Raisa.
Kasama. They've been doing that since set number 1, actually. De La Cruz. Tayag tracks it down. Chance para sa Mapua. Can they tie it up? Manalo! Who must wrist action?
Nasa ilalim ng bola si Manalo dito. Walang enough space para makakuha siya ng magandang attack. Kaya nag-outside yung palo niya.
Set point. San Beda. Bohol. Ito na ang Lady Red Spikers. Espina. Habakon! And set number 3.
What a powerful attack by Angel Habakon. Dalang-dala niya yung lahat ng pwersa niya doon.
Look at this. Nakabuelo. Cargado. And it's a point for Angel Habakon. Mapua, more importantly, stays alive in the match after winning set 3.